I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by charging the motion controller to fully because stable power avoids pairing errors. Next, power the drone and put it into pairing mode. Make sure you are within 1 to 2 meters for a reliable link. Once done, open the DJI Fly or RC app, allow Bluetooth and Wi-Fi permissions, and choose Motion Controller 2 from the devices list. You'll see a progress bar. Wait, do not move the controller until pairing completes to prevent disconnects. Once paired, you must calibrate the controller's IMU and gyros. Rotate it slowly through 3 axes on a flat surface. This avoids drift mid-flight. Then assign your preferred flight mode in the app. Choose Sport for responsiveness or Normal for stability, and test throttle response on the ground with props off. This ensures inputs map correctly. After that, fine-tune gesture commands, return to home height, and stick sensitivity, so the controller match. Now you're ready to take off. Arm the motors using the designated gesture and lift to a 1 to 2 meter hover to verify stability. Use smooth, deliberate wrist motions for directional control. Small inputs make big movements, so keep your elbows tucked to reduce unintended commands. For landing, slow your motion and use the precise descent gesture, finishing with the dedicated land command. If the connection drops, rebind the controller in the app, update firmware, and restart both units. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.